Hi mga kalaag, mayong hapon sa inyong tanandihan. How are you doing? Ako, I am doing well. Di ako karon sa City Hall, no, in front sa City Hall. So di ako sa musakyanan, no. Musakyanan. So dili ko ka naog kay way ka parkingan, so dala sa ko magwat-wat nga na bakanting parking, no. So for now, maglingaw-lingaw lang ko sa ata, no. Mag-trivia ta, no. Wa bang pwede makita ng content. Anyway, so mo na siya ang ato pag-istoryahan na. So mo na siya ang logo that is the logo of the new Ormoc City Hall. Okay. So bago lang yan, no? Magtatagalog pala ako kasi meron tayong mga audience dito, I believe, who are speaking Tagalog and at the same time could not understand Cebuano, no? So I will just try my best here to speak to you in Tagalog and in English, and please bear with me, okay? I'm not that good in Tagalog. Anyways, mga friendship or mga kalag, so kaya pala itong ating logo is actually is a new logo, no? Pinalitan kasi natin yung bagong logo ng ating new Ormoc City Hall. Ito na yung bago that was launched by our city government of Ormoc. Oh, yun, pag 5 o'clock pa lang. So makaka-park na ako, mga friendship, mga kalaags, no? So again, this is the new logo. This is colored blue. And let me see if I could get a little closer. Yan. Okay, medyo magalaw yung aking camera. Hold on. Pasensya na po kayo mga kaibigan kasi I'm just using my cell phone. Okay, medyo madilim po. Wait. Pusa natin yung ating board kasi medyo madilim. Okay. Alright, so that is our new Ormoc City Hall official seal. Okay? Bago yan, as you can see, just a brief trivia history about, or I mean, yung mga nasa loob niyan ng ating logo, no? Pasensya na po kayo magalaw, ha? So, isa dyan, yung 1947, okay? That is actually the when Ormoc City became a city, no? We became a city in 1947. And below that 1947 number is actually the first city hall. Actually, the city hall was there during the war. No, ano na yan siya? Ginawa na yan siya during the war. When Ormoc was still a municipio, no? So, nandiyan na yung ating city hall. So, it was a municipal hall before. Below the city hall building, on your left side, hand side, no, you will see the Lake Danao. Okay, Lake Danao is actually the biggest lake that we have, about 149 hectares, the national lake, and then that is also, there's a smoke on it. That's our geothermal plant, our EDC, Energy Development Corporation, geothermal, because we are the biggest geothermal power fields in the whole of the Philippines, no? And then our Lake Danao is the biggest amongst 3 lakes that we have here in Ormoc. So, meron tayo 3 lake, Lake Hanagdan, Lake Kasudsuran, and then Lake Danao. Lake Danao po being the biggest lake that we have. It's about 149, no? By the way, tanong ko lang, okay, sa hindi pala nakakaalam, no? Yung ating pong, ano po ba yung English ng lake? I mean, Tagalog ng, sorry, nalilito na ox, no? So, in English is, Danao in English is actually called lake, okay? So, kung ita-translate mo itong ating Lake Danao, ito ay tawag nating lake, no? But actually, the English of Danao is actually lake. Okay, yeah, Lake Danao siya. It was named during the time of Imelda Marcos, or in the Marcoses. It was called as Lake Imelda, no? So, yan, naging Lake Danao yan eventually. Then sa top tabi niyan is our pineapple, no? It's our queen pineapple. It's what Ormoc is known for, no? Kasi nga of the queen pineapple. So that's and then sa tabi niyan, tabi ng pinya is actually the pipeline of our Energy Development Corporation. Yun ginagamit nilang tubo. And then, next is we also have the butterfly, Ugmok, that is our official butterfly in Ormoc City. And then below the lake and the geothermal the picture of the lake and the geothermal picture naman, yan naman yung ating sugar cane. Kasi sa totoo lang mga friendship, sa sugar cane natin is the first, iyan ang pinakauna nating that is actually Ormoc's main means of income, no? Yan ang yung nagbubuhay sa Ormoc. We are known for sugar cane actually, no? Yan. Okay, tabi ng sugar cane may makikita kayong dalawang barko dyan. Yung isa dyan is Japanese ship. Yung namang isa dyan is USS Cooper. Trivia ko lang din, USS Cooper is the deepest ship that sunk under Ormoc Bay, no? In fact, merong nangyaring palabas that is actually produced by Bigfoot Production. Bigfoot Production is actually a film company, a film school in Cebu City. Naggawa sila ng project sa mga estudyante nila as means of parang assignment para project nga, no? Gumawa sila ng documentary film about USS Cooper. So, ang title nun is USS Cooper Battle in Ormoc Bay. It was actually it was shown there that nagda-dive yung ating foreign friend na si Robert Lalumiere, who was based in Ormoc that time, and then he dove about 200 meters deep, no? That was a record dive, no? Based in that film, no? And it was in 2005. So nandito lang siya makikita natin sa dagat ng Ormoc, no? And sa tabi niyan, tabi ng dalawang ship na yan, sa pinakadulo, that is our Alto Peak, no? Alto Peak is the highest peak that you will ever see in Leyte. However, it is called a climber from probably the European area of Germany named it's highest, it's high peak, but actually it is just called Amindiwin Mountains. That's why, kasi yung bundok natin dito sa Ormoc, yung Amindiwin, sa likod niya is Leyte, and then other neighboring municipalities. Malawak yan, malaki. Pinakamataas yan, Amindiwin Peak, but it's called as Alto Peak. Mga kalaal, just to clarify lang yan yung ating smaller version ng ating logo yan. So again, this is 1947, that is our old city hall. This is our registered map, how do you call this, Lake Danao. Yan yung kalachuchi po natin, yung ating city flower, yung ating pineapple. Ito yung ating geothermal pipe, no? Kasi tayo nandito sa malaking Energy Development Corporation Power Fields, no, ng EDC. Geothermal Power Fields pala. Ito ating official butterfly, no? Yung ating highest peak ng Leyte, tawag dito Alto Peak, and ito naman yung ating dalawang ship na American and then the Japanese. Ito ay yung ating sugar cane. So, that is our Ormoc City seal. That is our new seal. Ito yung luma. Ito yung pinalitan. Wait. Puntahan natin yung pinalitan natin seal. Nasaan? Hold on. Hi, sir. Nasa tabi lang pala ng aking earthy baby. This is earthy na. So, ito yung ating lumang official seal ng Ormoc. Okay? So, as you could see, ito yung ating first picture. Yan yung ating factories, no? Kasi meron din tayo ditong Leyte Agri Corporation. Isa siya ng factory ng alcohol, no? So, yan. Ganyan ang factory. Pangalawa is ito yung ating Lake Danao with the steam. Yung steam naman is representing our Energy Development Corporation or the power fields, no? Energy power fields ng Ormoc. And then ito naman, expecting naman ng war kasi nga we are part of the Leyte Gulf War 1940s. So pinalit na siya from here, pinalit na siya ng bagong logo. So kaya colorful siya, and then ito ay just one color, dark blue color ng logo ng Ormoc, which is maganda rin naman. And then mas emphasize nung ating new logo yung kung ano yung meron ng Ormoc ngayon. Okay, so it comes also with the stickers, no? So ito yung ating sticker sa mga sasakyan. Maganda rin siya. So ito yung pinya, sugarcane, karachuchi, butterfly. Ating new sticker sakyan. Dito naman yung luma. Palit naman tayo sa luma. Yan yung luma. Lumang sticker. Nandiyan ang pinya. Nandiyan yung butterfly. Nandiyan yung pagkakalasuchi. Yun yung bago. Bagong sticker. So nandiyan na lahat. So butterfly, the kalachuchi, the pineapple, the geothermal pipe, the museum. Oh. So represented lahat yung kung ano nandun sa loob sa seal natin. Nandiyan lahat sa sticker. Sa wrap na sakyan. Ito naman yung sa loob. So again, the City Hall was lumipat tayo dito sa new City Hall natin from the old City Hall noong 2010. We are, how do you call this? The old City Hall was turned into a museum, no? So ngayon, ito na yung ating bagong city. So we are located in Fugon, Barangay Fugon here in Ormoc City. Ngayon lang, mga kalaas, medyo busy ng kaunti kasi the city of Ormoc is preparing for the upcoming infra. As what we have mentioned earlier, meron nga kami infra na magaganap dito sa buong schools, buong Region 8 ng Eastern Visayas. So ito yung ating, kay Ormoc yung host. So ito yung ating official mascot. So, hi, mayong gabi, may hapon. Yan si Bini. So yan, ito yung ating Ormoc City Hall. Maya, we will be talking to you about that people in the pictures soon. No? For now, yun muna diniscuss ko sa labas. No? So, yan si Madam. Hi, Madam. Madam is getting into her office. And dito na muna tayo. Bye!